Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and today I am going to be deep cleaning and rearranging my master bedroom. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let's get right into cleaning this messy room. So I'm going to start off by just removing everything from the room. I'm not taking everything out of it, but I'm just like pushing it all to one side, and so that's what I'm doing. And here I decided to clean the ceiling fan just because the bed was right underneath it, and this was probably going to be the last time that this bed was going to be right underneath the ceiling fan, and so I just wanted to give it a really good wipe down. So that's what I'm doing here. So I decided to flip the blades over. Is that what they're called? They're called blades, right? Oh my gosh, I don't even know what they're called. But I decided to flip them over, and so that's what I was doing there. Now I'm just removing the rest of the stuff so that way I can start pushing the furniture around. So if you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela. I am a mommy of 4 and I post a whole lot of cleaning motivational videos along with other videos, but I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that way you can join my little YouTube family. And if you are not new here and you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. So this is the mess that was underneath my bed. It was so dusty and there was just a whole bunch of crumbs and just random stuff, a lot of toys and just a whole bunch of stuff. So I was glad to finally clean under here. I didn't realize that it was this bad, but it got cleaned. So that's the important part. So now I'm just trying to move this bed over to this wall. So now I'm going to be working on this side of the bedroom. I am going to be removing everything and putting it in the hallway. This black box with the yellow lid that you see right here in the corner doesn't belong in this room, but it's been here for a very long time, and so I'm finally going to get rid of it. And so that's what I'm doing here. One of either my son or my daughter spilt their milk, and I didn't even realize that they had spilt it, and so that's what that big white stain is on the floor. It took a lot of scrubbing for that to finally come off, but it did, as you can see here. You're going to see me sitting down. I just wanted to make sure that having the recliner here on this corner was going to work. So now I'm just wiping down the dresser and the TV and just giving it a really good clean. Now I'm gonna work on this little corner over here. As you can tell, I'm like moving from section to section, but I'm gonna work on this corner, and I'm going to put my desk over here on this corner and just make this a little office space. I don't know what to call it. I'm just gonna make it a little space with a desk and a few things on top and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing here. I found these little organizers at Target at the dollar spot. They are $5 and they fit my planners perfectly, and so I'm just organizing all of my planners and my computer here. I got this picture frame for Christmas, so I am filling it up with photos and I am going to place it above my desk. Now I'm just hanging up some more artwork. I was trying to figure out where to place this frame and I just decided not to use it. I am also not going to be using this comforter. I decided to use another one, but I am going to place this above the baby's crib. This is actually not my son Aaron. This is my son Zachariah. My cousin drew this for me, but I really, really love it and I've been wanting to hang it up, so I decided just to hang it there. I noticed that the headboard was really dirty, and so I decided that I was gonna use my carpet cleaner to clean it, and so that's what I'm gonna be doing next. Now I'm just going to try to figure out what I want to place on my nightstand. I wasn't able to put both nightstands because they weren't going to fit side by side, so my husband decided to just let me have mine on my side, and he said I could just leave his where it was at, and he is planning on building himself one, so yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. I was gifted this wax warmer for Christmas. That's the little light that's turning on. Like, it's so pretty. It looks so pretty in person. I just absolutely love it. But yeah, now I am going to paint this door. This is actually the next day, and I decided that I was no longer going to leave this door this yellow ugly color. When we moved into this house, a lot of the doors were this yellow color, and I just never got a chance to paint this door, and so now I am getting to it. I am painting the door. I decided that I was going to paint the frame as well, so I'm just taping around the frame so that way I won't stain the walls. So during the Black Friday sales, Walmart was having a really good deal on this comforter set. It actually came with 2 comforters and a whole bunch of pillow shams and decorative pillows, and so I decided to use the pink one. I also bought this mirror on sale. I was waiting for it to go on sale at Walmart. It was originally, I believe, $60 and I paid $40 for it. So I am cleaning it because the babies touched it and it was all dirty. So yeah. So I am finally done and I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I am so glad that I moved and rearranged everything and painted this door. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.